Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this guided meditation for reflection and gratitude. This meditation is inspired by my good friend Dawn Vason. She shared these journal prompts on social media to finish your year with, and these questions were really great. I did it this morning. I loved it. It left me feeling really good and grateful. And so I wanted to share it with you. You can do it as a guided meditation. You're also welcome to get your journal or a piece of paper and a pen, write these down. So whatever feels good for you, go for it. And also I'll put the links to her channel. She has a YouTube channel called Holistically Whole Yoga, Meditation and Mindset. I'll put those links below this video so you can go ahead and check it out. Now let's begin. Find a comfortable seat and rest your hands in your lap or on your thighs. Lengthen your spine. Lengthen the back of your neck and gently close your eyes or keep a soft, steady gaze. Start by taking a deep, cleansing breath in through your nose. Let it fill your belly, rib cage, and chest. And a slow, calming breath out through your nose or mouth. Again, slow, deep breath in through your nose. And a relaxing breath out. Let it relax your shoulders and release any tension. If this feels good, keep going. Take a few more deep breaths. And otherwise, let your breath flow naturally. Now bring your awareness to your heart space. And imagine that you're breathing in through your heart and breathing out through your heart. Feel your heart space expanding as you inhale, the front, the back, the sides, and slowly relaxing and softening as you exhale. Keeping your focus on your heart space. Now imagine that you're breathing in love and gratitude, and you're breathing out love and gratitude, filling your whole space with this wonderful feeling. Surrounding yourself with it as if you're in a magical snow globe. Now while you're breathing through your heart space, just take a moment to reflect back on your year. Remembering a few moments, situations. Keep your mind open, keep your body open and relaxed. And pick one memory, your favorite memory. What was your favorite moment this past year? Just let it pop up. Don't think about it too much. Don't analyze it. Just let it come to you. And breathe in that wonderful feeling, those positive, uplifting feelings that you felt in that moment. That's your favorite memory. And breathe out gratitude for this wonderful memory that you're now holding in your heart. And send this gratitude all around you. Now think of a moment where you were facing a challenge. And again, just let it pop up. What's the first thing that comes to your mind? Now go to a moment this past year that you are really proud of. What are you proud of? Let it pop up. Again, don't analyze it too much. Don't think about it for too long. Just let it come to you and go with the first thought, the first thing that pops up. Very good. Now think back of one difficulty you had that you overcame. What was one difficulty you had and you overcame it? Let it bubble up. Keep your mind and body open. Just remembering without any attachment. Good work. Now think of one quote that stuck with you or that inspired you. Wonderful. And now think of one word that describes your year. And again, just let it bubble up. Let it come to you, keeping your body open, keep your mind open, shoulders relaxed. Well done. And let's finish this short guided meditation with a deep breath in through your nose. Fill yourself with love, appreciation, and gratitude for all that you've done. Deep breath out. Surround yourself with that appreciation and gratitude. And then gently open your eyes. And then I would also like to take a moment to send you a lot of love, gratitude, and appreciation. I really do appreciate you showing up for yourself. And whether you're new here, whether you just found me, or you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, thank you so much for being here, for showing up for yourself, and allowing me to be part of your practice. It's an honor, and I really appreciate you. All of you have inspired me very much in this journey, and I look forward to the new year with you on the mat. Thank you so much, from the light in me to the light in you, and from my heart to yours. Happy New Year. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat.